Hi, good afternoon, Dr. Stansel. My name is Chinwen Candice Ma. Today is September 16th, and I will be doing the biochemical testing for microbial identification, carbohydrate fermentation testing. So first I have my phenol red broth. These have been sitting at room temperature now. I already labeled them 1, 2, and 3 with the glucose, fructose, and mannitol. So S. cerevisiae and S. epidermidis. So these are labeled here. Also, I have 6 of the Durham tubes in my alcohol with 2 pipettes, and my 2 nutrient broths, the S. cerevisiae and the S. epidermidis here. So I'm just going to light my candle. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is number 1, the S. cerevisiae glucose. So I'm just going to remove the lid, sterilize the lip of the test tube. Then I'm going to add half of the glucose to this and then half to the S. epidermidis one. Okay. And I'm just going to pass the lip over the flame again. I shake this one. Make sure that everything, all the powder dissolves. Okay. This one is for the S. epidermidis. This will be the rest of my glucose. From the tip again. Shake it until everything dissolves. Next one is going to be the fructose, S. cerevisiae. This is number 2. Pass it through the flame again. Shake this one until it dissolves. This one is the S. epidermidis, fructose number 2. Last one is the S. number 3, the mannitol. Last one. These are done. So now I'm just gonna remove the Durham test tubes from the alcohol. Okay, so now I am going to insert one of the Durham tubes into each of the phenol broths. So that the opening of the Durham tube is towards the bottom. So make sure that there's no alcohol in it. So the first row that I have here is the S. cerevisiae. So I'm just going to open my nutrient broth. Going to flame the lip of this. Next, I'm going to take my pipette. Make sure all the alcohol is out. I'm going to drop 4 drops of the S. cerevisiae into each of the phenol red. Okay, so this one's going to go into my bleach. Just going to flame the tip here. Then I'm going to make sure that there are no air bubbles forming between the Durham tube and the test tube. Okay, so next will be the S. epidermidis. Then I'm going to just insert my Durham tube. Make sure that all of the alcohol is out. Next, I'm just going to take my S. epidermidis broth. Take my pipette. And I'm just going to take 4 drops. Just going to drop 4 drops into each test tube. Okay. So now I'm just going to flame the tip, and these are going to sit for 12 hours. After the 12 hours, I am going to observe to see if there's any color changes that happened. If there were any color changes, and if there were any gas production, so I'll check to see if there were any bubbles forming in the tube. So I'll be back in 12 hours. Thank you.